Hello! Welcome to today's show. I'm happy you're here with me. Do you feel busy all the time? Does your day feel too short for everything? You are not alone. Many people feel this way every single day. Today I will share 5 easy tips. These tips will help you save time. You can start using these tips today. They are simple and they work. Let's start right now. Are you ready? Let's go and learn together. Here is tip number 1. If something takes 2 minutes, do it now. Don't write it down. Don't save it for later. Just do it right now. Send that text. Put away that dish. Make that quick call right now. This stops small jobs from piling up. Your mind will feel much clearer. Try this for 1 week. You will see a big difference in your day. Stop doing many things at once. Your brain works better on one thing. Pick one task. Set a timer. Work on only that task during this time. From 9 to 10, check emails only. From 10 to 11, work on your big project. Turn off your phone. Close other apps. Focus on just one thing at a time. You will finish tasks faster. Your work will be much better too. You cannot do everything. You must choose what matters most to you. When someone asks for your time, think first. Is this important to you? If it's not important, say no. It's okay to say no to people. Your time is valuable. Don't give it away to things you don't care about. Try saying, "I can't do that right now. Thank you for asking me." Spend 10 minutes each night getting ready for tomorrow. This saves morning time. Pick out your clothes. Make your lunch. Pack your bag for work. Write down 3 things you want to do tomorrow. Check your schedule too. This makes mornings easy. You won't feel rushed or stressed when you wake up. You will start each day feeling calm and ready to go. We all wait sometimes. Use this time to do small tasks instead. Listen to music while you exercise. Read while you wait in line. Make calls while you clean. Think about your goals during lunch breaks. These small times add up. You can get a lot done this way. Waiting time becomes useful time. You don't need to work longer hours. Time management is not about being perfect. It's about getting a little better each day. Pick one tip to try today. Use it for 1 week first. Don't rush to do everything at once. Slow changes work better than fast ones. You can control your time. You can feel less busy and more calm. Thank you for listening today. I know you can do this well. Take care of yourself. Remember, you can handle anything one step at a time.